Hi, I'm John Herden, Regional Sales Manager for Matrox Video, and what we're showing off here is a little bit of the IV over IP infrastructure products that we have that applies to a lot of different workflows here at LDI. We're showing off our DVW, which is our decode and display video wall controller. It's a very powerful yet compact device that helps decode IP streams and allows you to manipulate and draw the canvas as you see fit, so that you can kind of create any sort of canvas that your environment calls for. What we have further down are some of the actual AV over IP applications, which includes and surrounds our IPMX technology. And IPMX is an open standard approach to transporting media over IP infrastructure. So we've got our Convert IP doing some, encoding and decoding live in real time. And then we also have our entire Convert IP lineup of products on display, showing the flexibility of I/O options, network connectivity options, as well as the entire Conduct IP, which is controlling and pretty much showing or steering these signals to where they need to go. Finally, we have our KVM products as well as our Quad Head to Go, which is our graphics multiplier product. It's very famous for taking a single input and creating 4 different outputs for different workflows and situations. We're really excited to be here at the LDI show. It's something that's new to us, and it's always a learning experience to see what this market brings to us.